Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info. Today I'm going to tell you how to fix fast charging not working on your ZTE Nubia Air. So actually this is a very easy issue. At first I recommend checking at first, at the very beginning of this video, if you do have the cable, which is the certified cable, and you know that it's working, and compatible cable, and compatible charger. And certified charger, of course. It's because when you buy your cables on Temu, for example, or any other Chinese application, for example, Express, Temu, etc., or you buy your things charger, like charger on Temu or anything, or anywhere else, cheap store for $5, for example, or $3 even, or even less, it's of course fake and not certified, and your fast charging won't work, and even better, it may explode. Yes, I've watched a few videos about it, that your chargers may explode, and it's real. These chargers may explode if you do use them. Maybe not the same with the cables, but as for the chargers, yes, it's not that safe. So I do recommend not having the fake things. Buy the original ZTE or Bezos or any else charger, and same with the cable, and check then after that if your fast charging does work. If it does, that's fine, but still, if it doesn't, if you know that you have the compatible tools, you have to clean your charging port with a non-metallic tool. It's over here. You can use your flashlight if you want to here, and for example, you can use some plastic, very tiny things, very tiny, for example, plastic needle or something like that, so that it won't break, and you could clean the charging port. You can use it with, you can clean it with, for example, any brush or something like that. We do have other things to clean the charging port, so certainly turn for some brushes and clean this with your brush. Apart from that, we can go straight to the settings and move to these software things. Here, scroll down to the battery, and now tap AI charging. I mean, not AI charging. Here, tap basic instead of AI charging. As you can see, here we do have something called battery protection. The AI charging is preserving the battery health in your device, and it learns your typical charging schedule, and it's intelligently regulating the charging function. Here, set it to basic. When the battery is charged to 100%, it will stop and will charge again to 100% when the battery level drops down to 95%. This is the best option, and don't limit your charging speed. Here, if you tap more settings, we can see power saver settings, and leave it as default. Adaptive 5G, leave it as default. Don't do anything here. Here they have something called AI control. Do this and leave this alone. And actually that's it for the battery. Now we can go back, and yeah, actually that's it for the software things. Apart from in the software, actually, in the phone itself, we can restart the phone by holding the power button and volume up button here. But you have to, of course, click the power button here and these two buttons simultaneously, restart and restart. And apart from that, you can test your phone, your charger, and your cable with another, for example, your colleague's one or different outlet. Just try anything that will be different than something that you have. And apart from that, you can try updating software to fix any charging bugs, but I will show you this when our phone boots up. So here, let's unlock our device, go to settings, and here let's scroll down till we see system and update. Here tap system update, and now tap allow. I have no idea why, but let's tap no. Here, as I can see, I don't know why I would have network unavailable, but I am connected to the Wi-Fi network. It's because of the reset, so let's wait a moment. But here, if you do have some OS update, please update your OS as soon as possible. It's because here you do get maybe, I don't know, but you may get some charging fix, bug fix or something like that, and you can easily fix your phone with using just a software update. As I can see, the version is not normal, is 15.0.5, so 5 things were corrected during this version. So yeah, it's completely normal to have your things fixed during the software updates. And actually that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.